I will never look at a dentist the same way again after hearing this. Dentistry was once pretty terrifying. Did you know that dentists from ancient Japan perfected special finger exercises to improve their dexterity for extracting teeth with their bare hands? Dentists from ancient China used to train hours and hours by pulling out nails from the wood boards as a practice to extract teeth with their own fingers. The early dental drill was powered by a wheel, which often varied in speed and could stop during a procedure. It wasn't until 1872 that the first rotating dental drill appeared, offering significantly improved efficiency compared to its predecessors. So, next time you're in the chair, remember, it could be a lot worse.